It's Kent and Jared back in the horseshoeing business. You saw our last video where we're introducing the SafT-tracc horseshoe that has 3 points of contact for traction. And we'll go now look at the horse, look at the shoes that are 8 weeks old and see how the wear is, see how the the nails, see how everything's doing, see if anything's loose, and then comment on them and tell you how it's going to work. This is the moment of truth. And you remember Jared Estergaard, he's my professional farrier who knows everything about everything. And we're going to watch this video, and then we're going to combine some of the other ones with it at the end so you get the whole story if you didn't see the first one. But this will be up on RFD TV, MrTracc.com, MrTracc.tv. So you have plenty of places to watch it. And we're out here again at the Oasis Equestrian Center.
Yes, sir.
And that's where we're doing the shoeing today. We appreciate their letting us use the lot. And we're going to go through this and explain it step by step and show you the shoes so you see what the wear is or what the wear isn't and go from there. So join us for this review.
All right, welcome back everybody to the people who watched our first video. Today we're going to be resetting this horse. He's about 8 weeks in. We're going to see how these shoes are holding up on him and go from there.
Cool. That's that 8 weeks of trail riding, beating them up on rocks and everything else. This quarter horse is right-handed, so we're doing the showing on video the right front, and then we'll do the right rear.
All right, look at that. You can still see the carbite crystals.
Cool. Yeah, it doesn't look like it shows much wear at all.
Zero. No wear on the shoe. Easily grab your nails because the shoe ain't worn down to the nails.
So it makes your job easier and faster.
Very. There we are.
Cool. Well, it looks nice and thick. Like it started out being.
Still has brand new nail holes.
Wow, that's awesome. So hopefully it'll do nothing too, we'll make it fit.
Yeah. Heel in the toe along the plane of the shoe right in here. Very nice. Let's go clean these up.
So all you're going to do is put new nails in it, huh?
Yep. Yep. Just put brand new nails. So here we're looking at the wear that these shoes are we're preventing, and you can tell this shoe slipped a lot, especially in the toe here. You see how thin that toe is on a normal 8-week rotation shoe.
Wow, that one's really thin.
We are really worn down.
Yeah.
So this is a very good key to longevity of the shoe using the SafT-tracc system. Very nice shoe.
Saves you time and money. And
very, very durable.
Yeah, all the time you spent shoeing and doing all that stuff. Awesome.
Yep, we're going to clean this up and put this back on him for another 8 weeks.
Oh, wow.
Perfect.
Great.
Right back on. All right, with these SafT-tracc shoes, I'm gonna rasp right under my nails
So this is the part you do a little different than a normal horseshoe.
Yep, building an area for that nail to go, and we're gonna clench these over, but we're not gonna file too much of the nail off, because we need as much support and nail grip as we can get, because these are some grippy shoes.
Yeah.
So we're just gonna knock the burrs off these nail heads to where they're smooth, and that's it. A couple swipes and you're done.
Cool.
Because we need as much steel there holding these grippy shoes on as we can. Ready for another 8 weeks.
That's why we came to the professional.
All right, here's back foot. You can see the weld ain't separating and the carbites are still in there. Looks brand new still, and we're 8 weeks on this shoe, and this horse has been over rocks and sand. These have been in contact with concrete and asphalt, and they ain't budging. They're sitting real good.
So those carbide bits are the parts that all that's made and welded on there with the machine.
Yep.
From the factory. Awesome.
Yeah, and you can still see the nail head in there, in your nail line here.
Yeah.
Usually on a shoe, normal shoe, about 8 weeks out. It's hard to separate the nail from the shoe because they wear into each other.
Yeah. Yeah.
Over time, and that's how you lose shoes.
Yeah.
It's because the shoes get worn down so far that them nail heads get rounded off and smoothed down to the shoe, and then there goes your shoe.
Yeah.
And with these SafT-tracc shoes, with even the grip on the toe and the heel, that elevates the shoe from the nail heads, making it last 3 times longer or more.
Wow, that's impressive. That saves you a lot of time.
Yeah.
It's all about saving time and money, and of course, safety.
Helping your horse too.
Yep.
Good for your horse.
Not much nail head left in this shoe. It's 8 weeks old. Paper thin. Awesome. Just smooth them off, take a little bit of the edge off the nail.
And then set that nail good and strong. And then just a couple swipes. Knock the burrs off. Extra sturdiness.
That's the only difference between the SafT-tracc shoes and a regular shoe is you got to just leave a little more nail on the end, and then you grind off the edge part, and it's just perfect.
Yep.
And you won't have to do it for another year or two.
Yeah, I was looking at them and I was like,
Look at the traction of those horseshoes on cement. You can hear them grabbing that cement.
Oh. Very sticky.
It's funny once you
Awesome.
start
That's exactly
seeing
what you
the
want. Good traction. You can see the marks on the floor. There's plenty of marks on the floor. Holy cow. Shows it's digging in. It's trying like crazy to not let the horse slip, which is good. Holy cow. Got marks everywhere. That's what it looks like when your horseshoes have traction.
Yep. That was from the carbite crystals right there.
Yeah,
They grip.
they do. That's awesome.
These shoes, these are making the marks at 8 weeks, and so they're still very intact, very sharp, sturdy.
So we'll probably do something again in what, another 8 weeks? You're gonna wait longer.
Well, we could do another 8 weeks, and another 8 weeks we'll do another test and look at these shoes. At that time, they'll be on a horse for 16 weeks, and we'll see what happens then. They'll still be good though, I guarantee it.
That's awesome. Well, thanks, Jared.
Thank you guys.
Thank you, Trump, if that's your real name. Here we are finishing up on this horseshoe job with the SafT-tracc horseshoes that Jared just put on Trump. Trump is the one in the middle. and these two own Trump. This is Justin and Shiloh. And what's the name of your boarding house here?
Oasis Equestrian Center.
Oasis Equestrian Center. Well, that's cool, and I'll show you the number on that so you can give them a call if you want to. They've got a lot of horses here.
And my 7-year-old rides him and is chasing cows and doing all the things on him, and they're holding up amazing.
Oh, cool. And does some rock climbing or some trail
Yep.
riding? and all
Yep,
that
he's
fun
been
stuff?
doing a bunch of trail riding,
Twice a week.
going down to the Poudre River, and
Oh, yeah, I know where the Poudre River is.
it's
I've done videos
all
down there.
hardball, and those shoes look pretty good still.
Well, that's cool. Well, the whole family's involved on it. And Sage. Now, Sage, she's the one who actually rides this horse. And on rocks and chasing cows and doing all kinds of probably some mountain climbing involved in there. Do you use them to chase boys or anything?
No.
No. But she has a lot of fun on them. And we're testing this out, and it looks like the wear pattern passed the test. It hardly any wear in 8 weeks. We just changed out the shoes. Look totally different than the set of shoes we had 8 weeks ago and took off. Well, that's good. That's
Does he
good.
still
It's a
chase your
tough
cows
questions.
good?
Yeah.
Oh,
Really
good.
good.
Chases cows. You rope off him?
Yeah.
Well, good. He's an all-around horse. That's awesome.
How's the barrel racing, Phil?
Oh, yeah.
Good.
He doesn't slip around your barrels?
No.
No.
So they work. The horseshoes work. This is awesome. SafT-tracc. Join us next time.